Welcome to DeepMind AI. Today we will be talking about AI video generator. By using this tool, user can create high quality Amazon product video effortlessly by simply providing a product URL or text. This tool utilizes advanced AI algorithms to generate engaging video for product promotion. User can benefit from features like text-to-speech, video editing, scene transition to produce visual appealing content. By copying and pasting an Amazon product URL into the AI video generator, the tool scans the link and automatically generates a product review video based on information available. The process eliminates the need for manual input and ensures accurate and up-to-date product detail in video, saving time, effort, and compared to manual video creation. So let's dive into how we can create a stunning video just using product URL. We can use URL from Amazon, Walmart, eBay, Shopify. So let's do it. So in order to generate video from simply product URL, first we have to search videomagic.com. When we search videomagic.com, we will have this interface. Now we have different option. We can create single video here. We can create we do have various stocks. We have templates. All we have to click on templates. And you can see we have a different option here. So we are going to create an e-commerce product review. So we have here, you can see highlights, snapshot, bestseller products, or even we can provide a review and single review. We can create multi-review product. So just we have to click multi-review here. And now we can see we have here different templates. We can use any template in order to use video for our product. All we have to do, we have to double click on this. And now we have this interface. So now we have option. So we have here different aspect ratio. We have to select one of these. So we are going to select 16:9. If we like this template, all we have to click select. And now we have to fetch the URL. So we will go Amazon and we will search for product, and we want video for that product from just simply URL. So all we have to select the product. So I'm going to select one of these. Okay, let's do this one. And you don't have to do anything. All you have to just copy the URL from top here and come here, and just you have to name. We have to paste the URL here, and we can use tag. All we have to click on generate, and now it's in process. And now our final product video is ready. All we have to double click here. Wow, this is just amazing. And from simply copying a URL from a product, and the Video Magic create a stunning video for us. Now we can share on Insta, Facebook, YouTube, or we can do marketing for our product. So please share, subscribe our channel DeepMind AI.